What if I told you that I know what you are saying without you saying it? No, I'm not a psychic, and no, I do not have ESP. Nonverbal communication is very important. Often when we talk to each other, we think that, oh, we are communicating so well. But it is also your body language that speaks volumes that possibly your mouth is not saying. Let's think about it. Often when we think about communicating, we're just thinking about me talking to you, you talking to me. But what we are not thinking about is the other person's body language. A person's body can say things that their mouth does not say. Whether you're talking with friends or with family or with co-workers in a professional situation, during interviews, your body language is just as important as what you are actually saying out of your mouth. I really enjoy communication. So one of the things that I sought after is how to make sure that my body language is in alignment with what I am saying. So much so that I got this book here that I have read, and it is by Joe Navarro, who is an ex-FBI agent, and he talks about nonverbal communication. Oh yeah, that's right. So we're gonna find out when you're lying. Oh yeah. Not necessarily. The misconception is that these are sure signs that someone is not being truthful, but the real truth is that everyone is different. So what you have to do is really observe that person and get to know their norms, their normal body language. So everyone is not the same, although there are a few things that are universal, like this. Okay, maybe not that last one. So you may be like, who cares about nonverbal communication? You should care about nonverbal communication. So if you're going for a job interview, or if you're trying to impress that person on a date or what have you, your body language speaks volumes. Are you showing confidence? Are you saying one thing out of your mouth? Yeah, I'm really good at a lot of stuff. I'm real good at it. Or yeah, I really am good at a lot of stuff. Is it believable what you're saying? So body language shows confidence. Are you nervous? Do you have some type of things that you do when you get real nervous? Like some people like maybe move something these are things that even though might be a word, and that's a whole other topic, but body language, you will notice also that you have some type of something that you're doing when you get nervous. Now, you may not even realize that until you actually look in front of the mirror and start to say something or rehearse whatever you're going to say at the interview or on your first date or whatever, and you start noticing that you do certain things. A lot of times you'll see this when people give presentations. They start rocking, and next thing you know, you feel like you're on the love boat, So these are the things that nonverbal communication plays a very significant role on how you are also portrayed. You know what I mean? Not just in what you are saying. So confidence. Are you showing confidence? Are you showing that this is like my pet peeve. This is one of my pet peeves. I always believe in facing a person when you're talking to them. So, you can kind of tell, like, when someone's really not interested in what you're saying, like maybe you're on your way somewhere and this salesperson is coming your way. Excuse me, miss. And you're like, no. Your back literally, like, it's like, boom, you just get the back. You know what I mean? Instead of like, Are you facing them? Like, okay, so what are you selling? So those are things to keep in mind as well. When you're talking to someone, are you facing them? Are you facing them? At least that projects that you are listening to them. You're not like, oh yeah, that's real good. Yeah, I'm listening. So anyways, thank you for checking out my website, cvventertainment.com. Make sure that you come back here for more op-eds from me. And also check out Joe Navarro's video where he's going to talk about facial expressions. And if you want to get the book, get his book. I got his book. Hey, you can never learn too much. I will see you really soon. Guess what? You're invited over to my place for food, fun, and life. So kick off your shoes and head on over to cvventertainment.com.